In Part 1, we discussed 6 fundamental AI algorithms. These are minimax, genetic algorithm, naive Bayes, regression analysis, decision tree, and random forest. In this part, we will cover 6 other AI algorithms and techniques that are vital for any AI, ML expert. These techniques are more focused on solving machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL, problems in particular. Let's begin. Number 1. Support Vector Machine, SVM. Originally introduced in 1963 and updated in 1992 by Vladimir N. Vapnik and his fellow researchers. Support Vector Machine is one of the most widely used AI algorithms for supervised learning. It can deal with both classification and regression problems. SVM tries to draw a decision boundary, known as hyperplanes, between the input data classes. It is useful in novelty, outlier detection as well as in image classification, face detection, and regression analysis. Number 2. Ensemble Learning. Ensemble Learning is a group of AI, ML algorithms that work on the principle of unity as strength. It combines multiple ML models known as weak learners to obtain strong and accurate results. The weak learners are combined in 3 ways: bagging, boosting, and stacking. Number 3. Clustering. Clustering or cluster analysis is a group of AI algorithms that are applied to solve unsupervised ML problems. It automatically discovers patterns in the data points and forms groups, clusters, of similar items. Once the groups are formed, AI experts can analyze those groups and derive results as per the problem. Plus, there are numerous clustering methods. This includes also iterative clustering and hierarchical clustering. Clustering is used in various AI applications like market research and customer segmentation, pattern recognition, spam filtering, etc. Number 4. Artificial Neural Network, AN, Stepping Stone to Deep Learning. The emergence of AN has revolutionized the field of deep learning. The first neural network was developed by Frank Rosenblatt in 1957. He developed a machine known as Mark I perceptron that was intended to mimic the human brain. A typical neural network contains 3 layers: an input layer, single or multiple hidden layers, and an output layer. Number 5. Convolutional Neural Network, CNN, Neural Network for Images. CNN is a neural network designed specifically for images, speech, or audio as input data. CNN contains 3 layers. A convolutional layer detects features in the input image by applying a filter or kernel operation known as convolution. A pooling layer reduces the complexity of the model by applying max pooling or average pooling operations. As a result, information loss occurs, but it limits the model from overfitting the input data. Number 6. Recurrent Neural Network, RNN, Understand Sequence Context. RNN is another type of neural network used for analyzing time series or sequential data. It solves numerous natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, music generation, sentiment classification, language translation problems, etc. What makes RNN unique is its ability to keep track, memorize, of the context of a sequential input. In this 2-part article, we have discussed some major AI algorithms. For now, we are just scratching the surface. AI mastery requires a vast depth of knowledge across different domains. An AI expert must know the mathematical theory behind each of these algorithms. For a beginner, this can become quite overwhelming. The best approach is to take it one step at a time. At Theprofessor LLC, we provide training, tutorials, and tips for learning data science, AI, machine learning skills. There was an invitation to watch the next video. Stay well, stay healthy.